Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is concept of shapes. My dear student, today is our lecture number 16 of annual term and today's SW number will be 15. So my dear student, let us start our class. My dear students, notice concept of shapes and the question is write the name of the following shape. That means some shape are given in your question paper and you write the name only. So you must memorize the spelling of these shapes. Okay, what is this? The first one, what is this? Okay, my dear student, what is this? This is cone. This is cone. Do you like cone ice cream? It looks like cone. So I write cone here. What is the spelling of cone? C-O-N-E. Cone. I repeat, C-O-N-E. Cone. My dear student, this shape name is cone. Okay. So you must memorize this. Cone, C-O-N-E, cone. Next, the next figure is what? The next figure is cylinder. The next figure is cylinder. What is the spelling of cylinder? C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, cylinder. The name of the shape is cylinder. My dear student, the name of this shape is cylinder. We shall go to our next figure. What is the figure? This figure is star. This figure is star. We see the stars at night in the sky. So the name of this figure is star. So write star, S-T-A-R, star, and the spelling of star is S-T-A-R, star. Next, number D. What is the figure? The name of this figure is diamond. The name of the figure is diamond. So write diamond here, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. So my dear student, the name of the figure is diamond and the spelling of the figure of the diamond is D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. Okay, fourth one is done and our last one. And this is what? It looks like a dice. Look like a dice. My dear student, this is cube. This is cube. So we write cube, C-U-B-E, cube. So the name of the shape is cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Okay, my dear students, I repeat, the name of the first shape is cone. The name of the second shape is cylinder. The name of the third shape is star. The name of the fourth shape is diamond. And the name of the fifth shape is cube. Notice, at first you notice the figure, then you write the name of the shape. After that you memorize that spelling. Okay. Okay, my dear student, this is our today's lecture. And it is your SW also. At first you draw the figure, then under the figure you write the name of that figure. So my dear students, please do your assign SW in your SW copy and submit it regularly by your guardians or any other person in our school in every Sunday within 8 AM to 4 PM. So my dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Assalamu alaikum.